Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem many developers face when migrating their databases. Imagine you're upgrading from RavenDB 6.0.106 to 6.2, and you have a bunch of complex indexes that aren't compatible with Corax. You know that using the UI allows you to set the index type, but what if you want to do it all in C# code? That's the problem we're tackling today. Now, let's dive into the solution. You can choose the search engine at 3 different levels. Firstly, you can set it server-wide for all databases by updating the settings.json file. Secondly, you can set it per database using the studio. And lastly, you can set it per index in your code using the client API. In your index definition, simply specify the search engine type as either Corax or Lucene. It's pretty neat how RavenDB offers this flexibility, right? In summary, we've covered how to address the issue of incompatible indexes when migrating to RavenDB 6.2. By setting the search engine at the server-wide, per database, or per index level, you can seamlessly manage your indexes. I hope this solution helps streamline your migration process. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Happy coding!